Alright, tonight I'm making penne pasta with chicken, broccoli, and Alfredo sauce. And it's mostly from Dollar Tree. And I picked up cans of chicken. I'm going to use probably about four cans. And this is definitely not from Dollar Tree. The ragu Alfredo sauce. Let me take you over here. I'm boiling it down, and of course I always gotta salt my pasta in some salt water, right? And then after that cooks down for probably about 5-10 minutes, drain it, mix in all the ingredients with the Alfredo sauce, and we're done for dinner. Okay, I'll be back to show you what it looks like on the plate. Alright, the noodles are cooked. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit, and I'm gonna drain the noodles. Ooh, loving that steam. Then I'm going to get my bigger pan, pour the noodles in. Then make sure you drain all the water out of them cans, because you do not need that extra salt. The Alfredo sauce is going to be the seasoning. Of course, I always add a little salt, pepper, garlic. That's my thing. So then I have 4 cans of chicken. Alright. And then I'm going to add my broccoli. And y'all see all my vitamins that I use daily. Okay, trying to keep this immune system up. And then I'm going to add my seasoning, because the broccoli still has water in it, so you don't need to add too much to it. A little salt and some pepper, and of course some garlic. Y'all excuse me if it goes out of focus. I'm holding the camera and seasoning food at the same time. Trying to multitask. I don't have my own camera crew yet. Alright. I'm going to mix that around. Get all the seasonings mixed up in there. And then I'm going to lower the heat. Let that simmer down. The chicken's going to heat up. The broccoli is going to heat up. You want that broccoli to stay crunchy. You don't need it to cook down too much. I'll put a cover on so that heat can stay in the pan. Turn it down some. Alright. That's good, and I'll be back once it's finished cooking in we'll give it about 10 minutes so the chicken can cook all the way. Alright, be back soon. Alright, so you get all the sauce out the jar. Just give it a nice little stir to incorporate everything in the sauce. Now that everything is coated with the pasta sauce, Alfredo sauce rather, then just let it cook down some more. Give it about 6 more minutes. You want that sauce to be nice and warm. You don't want it cold. And then it'll be ready to serve in about 6 more minutes. Alright, be right back. Alright, as you can see, food is ready. Nice little steam going. Everything is nice and warm. Hot enough for me. So I like my food hot. I don't like it lukewarm. Then I'm just going to plate it. I'm going to get me a little extra broccoli because I like broccoli. And there you have it. And I'm going to enjoy some Moscato peach with it. Bon appetit. Hope